Hi everyone, Gagajoy, and I hope you've had a good day. And I have a little project today that I love to do. It's called Herb Biscuits. It is so good, and it's so good when you're got someone coming or just your kids. Now normally I would make it about this big. I'd use 2 cans of biscuits, and which would be 20. And today I'm just going to use the one because I really will have to give them to someone because I can't eat with 2. So I have I've got a half a teaspoon of minced onion, a half a teaspoon of basil, a 1/4 teaspoon of poppy seeds, and a 1/4 dried parsley. I'm just going to put them all. I put them all together so I can just dump them in the onions. I've got my oven on 350. You know, when you're having spaghetti or a roast or something, you want I don't know, not always garlic bread. This takes a good place of garlic bread. Just put it in the bottom, around like that. There's plenty of butter. Oh, and a 1/4 cup of butter. I'm into that. To add that, okay. Now biscuits. There's 10 biscuits. They're buttermilk biscuits. They're the big ones. Just dip them in the butter, fold them over once, in the butter, fold them over once like that. This 8 by 8 is just a perfect for 1 can. I wouldn't take anything from my 8 by 8 pan. There's so many things. You don't have to make a great big recipe with this pan. Well, the glass bowl. I call it my pan. You know, anything new in bread, I think everybody wants to try it, don't you? Because to me, no surprise, to me, bread is very important. I'm actually having a casserole this evening, so these are going to come really handy. There you go. We'll put it in the oven. It takes about 15-20 minutes because biscuits don't take long. And we'll come back. Well, it's time to take our biscuits out, our Herb Biscuits. They smell so good. I'm going to show you how good they. Look at the bottoms of them. So done on the inside. And they smell so wonderful. So, try the Herb Biscuits. Easy. I'll put a little butter on one real quick. And enjoy them. They'll come in handy someday. Take care of yourself. Have a great day. Remember the joy. Subscribe and ring that bell. Tune in again. See you soon.